Hello, good evening, children. Tomorrow I am going to teach you a small poem from the textbook Flamingo Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. This poem is a beautiful piece of writing written by Pablo Neruda, who got Nobel Prize in 1971 in literature. This poem brings out the importance of quiet introspection. Here, quiet introspection means looking within. Every human being has to look within and reflect over the deeds that they are doing. They should again ponder over if it is for the betterment of the earth, they should work for it. If it brings destruction, they should stop there and then. It also gives an opportunity to examine oneself, observe oneself, evaluate, re-evaluate, and again do good for the nature. The people, those who are involved in one or the other kind of activities, should stop and look at their hurt hands, the people gathering salt, the people preparing for the wars with fire, people those who are destroying the nature should look at their deeds. And the people those who are greedy doers, those who are unsatisfied with the life, also should again reflect over it. As a student, what you should do as a technician, as an engineer, as a mechanic, or as a worker in the industry or factory, everyone has to stop for a moment and count up to 12. Counting up to 12 only takes as long as it will take to count 12. This rare moment, this exotic moment will bring change, will bring an unusual moment where people will get again time to reflect over it. If this happens, this will be unusual moment and the human beings will try to develop the understanding. They will be free from conflict, quarrel, fighting, enmity, and they will become a better person. They will able to understand their brothers. Mutual understanding will develop. Brotherhood will develop. And finally, the poet is making a request from each one of us to learn from the nature. The nature is the beautiful example that gets on changing. Look at the season. In one particular season, all the beauties, trees, withered, dries up. But again, that doesn't last. That is not the end. After some time, as the spring season arrives, we see the beauty, we see the flowers, and everywhere greeneries are seen. The seed that we bury under the soil doesn't remain there. It starts sprouting, germinating, and then gives a new life, becomes a survival for many of us. So we should learn a great lesson from the earth. So to say that this poem brings out a beautiful message that each one of us have to understand, read it, and then again try to leave the old ways of life and put on new clothes. Here, put on new clothes means again become fresh and leave the old ways of life and work out for the greater benefit, where there will be again understanding will be there. We can develop, we will able to understand other human beings and look within ourselves, and this self introspection will bring a great change in on this earth. So dear children, please read the poem, and tomorrow we will discuss in detail. When you read the poem, it will become very easier to understand, and the message that is being communicated, the message that is written by the poet, you will able to understand it better. Therefore, please do read the poem and try to understand, because the message that it is trying to give you today, we all of us have to understand it. When we understand, the problem will be solved. So the poem is trying to describe about the necessity of introspection. Introspection is nothing but looking within oneself. So please do read the poem.